provide you a QR code, and then click scan on your PC, and then scan it through your scanner. Good. So basically it will be connected right now. So now my PC and my phone is connected. As you can see, there's a connect here. If you want to disconnect, you click on disconnect. Yeah, hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can share file between your phone and your PC using a Xender. So first of all, make sure you have Xender on both of your PC and Android. So first of all, you go to Play Store and then search for Xender. And make sure you install it. I've already installed it, so I'll just open my Xender. Okay, so this is my Xender, right? Then I'll go onto my laptop and then install Xender for PC. So I'll just click enter, and this will be my. I'll click the first link and it should open here. So download. So depending on your platform, if you are using Mac, you are using Windows App Store. So I am using Windows, so I'll click on Xender to download. So it will download successfully, and then you install it. So for me, I've already installed it. So basically, you just click next after the downloading. So this is my Xender. So I'll open my Xender here. Good. So this is my Xender. So how to connect your phone to your PC through the Xender is there's update. So I'll just ignore it. So first of all, what you need is go on your phone. There's a 3 lines here. Click on the 3 lines. Select connect PC, and on your PC, click on this mobile icon. Give me it. Will provide you a QR code, and then click scan on your PC, and then scan it through your scanner. Good. So basically it will be connected right now. So now my PC and my phone is connected. As you can see, there's a connect here. If you want to disconnect, you click on disconnect. So if I want to send file from my my laptop to my PC, I'll go to upload. Hope you can see it. Upload to phone, right? So I'll just click on upload to phone, and I'll just look for the item I need, right? Then I'll just select the item and just drop it here. So you can see it will display the queue, right? It is downloading. In the same process, if I want to copy from my phone to my PC, I'll just go to phone media, and you can see photos, files on your PC. Sorry, on your phone. This is on my phone. You get me? So phone media. So if I want to download this computer science written tax, I'll just click on this. Okay, so let's minimize this. So this is the computer science written tax. I'll just click on this download icon. As you can see, I can delete things from here and then also from this. So I'll just click on download, and it should download, and it's very fast. And then when the download is complete, you just click on open folder, and I hope the file should be here. So as you can see now, the file is on my laptop, right? So this is the file, very nice and secure. So same as your phone. So as you can see, it's downloading. The video is downloading. Yeah, as you can see, the bar is moving, right? So that is just demonstration how to connect your Xender and your laptop together. So if you finish, you just click on disconnect, and it's going to disconnect. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very short one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.